Hi. If you are also a user of these popular Beyerdynamic DT series headphones, then I can make you happy, because I have the several repair videos. So you can easily fix any of the most popular problems and damage with Beyerdynamic DT 770 Pro, DT 880 and DT 990 Pro headphones. The most common problem is old, damaged earpad cushions. These can be quite easily replaced and even improved by putting on more comfortable earpads. The next common problem is a damaged audio cable. The best solution is to simply make a mod to a detachable cable. Forget audio cable problems forever. Very many Beyerdynamic users get broken headband slider covers. Again, no need to throw the headphones out. Just write me a message and I will send you new covers for a fee. Sometimes also side cables get broken. It is not difficult to fix that too. Just put a new side cable and you can use the headphones again for years. It is very rare that one side of the headphones suddenly stops sounding and one of the speaker drivers is damaged. Even then, the headphones can be repaired by replacing the damaged speaker driver. As you can see, it is possible to fix any problem for your Beyerdynamic headphones. Long life to your headphones and good luck.